The LIBOR scandal was probably the biggest financial crime that you've never heard of.
The way LIBOR worked was that each bank had to estimate how much interest they'd have to pay to borrow cash. Then the rates from all the banks were averaged.
LIBOR itself underpins $350 trillion of value based in derivatives. By manipulating the LIBOR, the traders in question were inherently causing a cascade of mispriced financial assets throughout the entire global financial system. The LIBOR is supposed to be the total assessment of health of the financial system, because if the banks feel confident about the state of things, they report a low interest number. And if the member banks feel a low degree of confidence and see risk in the financial system, they report a higher interest rate number. The huge flaw in this approach was that the estimates that the bank gave on interest rates was being used to determine the actual LIBOR interest rate. None of the banks actually had to borrow and lend at the same rate mentioned in LIBOR. The banks merely had to tell the regulators that they would do so. In practice, they would be borrowing and lending at completely different rates. They could then profit on the difference between what they reported and what they actually traded with.